Hello everybody, I hope everybody's having a great day today. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. This should be a fairly short video because I just wanted to show you a little something. We are in my closet, for those of you who don't know. There, now you can really tell you're in my closet. And there isn't that much light, but because I've been sick, I've been laid out in bed for 4 years pretty much. So my muscles have deteriorated exceptionally. Walking 20 minutes is hard. I've started exercising, and at one point I think you're going to see the machine I'm on. It's like cross-country skiing, and 21 minutes so far is the longest I've been able to do it. Yeah, I'm bad. And because I've lost so much muscle, I've gained fat. So I've gained weight. And for me, this is it's bad. But in the meantime, I'm not finding clothes that fit. And I've gotten a few things, and some of the things that were big to begin with do fit, but I've kept everything in my closet, which is a mistake, because every time I try something on to put it, I get disappointed because it doesn't fit. So for the past couple of weeks, I've been going through everything and decluttering it all. Even if it's just a little snug, and if I lost 5 pounds or gained a pound of muscle, it would fit again, I'm taking it out. Now there are some pieces that are precious to me, and I'm putting them aside, and maybe in a month or so I'll go through everything there and see what the deal is, because I do have a box full of stuff that are precious to me. But I might have to let that stuff go as well. But in the meantime, I want to show you a little bit of what I am having to let go of. Okay, give me a sec. Okay. So you've got a pile here. I gotta try this again because I had it on not too long ago, and for some reason it fit. So you've got that little pile is stuff I'm putting aside, but there's 4 things there. There's one beautiful blazer gone. Another beautiful blazer gone. Another beautiful blazer gone. Look at all these. All this I have to let go of. All these clothes. All those. All this. All this. All these. All these. All these. Now granted, some of them I could wear. Like that dress and that dress. I could technically wear them, but they're snug. And I don't... 2 more blazers there. 1 blazer there, 1 blazer there. That part was full. That's where I put all my blazers. This part was tight. Not anymore. That part's still a little snug, so but that's okay. That one with the roses there, I don't dare try it on because I don't want to have to put it away. But most of that stuff actually fits, and I can wear it. Same with those things. I can wear those. I went through all of my pants and leggings, and it's mostly leggings now. Pants are over here with a few dressier leggings, but it's mostly pants. And there's 2 layers. But leggings, pants, and dressier leggings. But this is not it. Let's not look at the mess in the bedroom, because my life is there. Let's see, there's not going to be too much light in here, and I'm hurrying because my battery's about to die. There's another pile here. There's another pile. There's another pile. All because I got sick. Yeah, let's see. There's the light. It's not great because I didn't turn on my ring light. Let's see if this makes a difference. Wow, there we go. Hello. So much stuff I have to get rid of. But that's the thing, you can't keep it. And it makes room, and it breathes better. It's just heartbreaking. All that money. And a lot of it I've had for years and years and years, because I used to be small. A lot smaller than I am now. But clear your closets out, people. It clears out a lot of dust. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, like my video. Oh, and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, too.